Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and explain to you how it works Do Not Disturb mode on iPad Air 5th generation. So in order to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, we need to go to our settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb, and from here we can enable this setting. And what it does, it will block all notifications and calls and messages from your phone until it's turned off again. But you can customize these as well, so if you want your friends to reach you when you're in this mode, you can enable that. So let me show you these functions. So here we have allowed notifications. We can press on people and we can add our contacts, specific contacts. I don't have any, but you'll be able to add them here. Specific contact that you want to get the calls while in this mode from. You can press remove all to remove all of them. You can just select the specified contact types to reach you, like everyone, no one, favorites, or all contacts, and allow repeated calls. When this is enabled and somebody tries to reach you, your phone multiple times, your phone will start vibrating to make sure that you know that someone really tries to reach you. You can do the same thing with the apps. You can add specific apps to get notifications from, remove them all right here, or enable time sensitive. Now if we go back, we can go to another setting with it, which is focus status, and from here you can share this status across all of your Apple devices. If you enable that, I don't have any other Apple devices connected, so I can't do anything here, but you can customize it yourself when you have them. The next option is home screen, and you can hide notification badges on your home screen or just enable custom pages. So for example, if I want this page to be out of the disturb mode. The next option is lock screen, and you can dim your lock screen with this setting here enabled, and it will darken your lock screen. You can show on lock screen, and it will then just show you notifications on your lock screen when your tablet is locked. You can turn on the notifications every day, so you can just customize it to whatever you need. So right here, if we enable it like that, it will automatically begin Do Not Disturb mode from 12 AM to 12 AM. So we can change that to 12 PM, for example, and it will basically run all day, and we can set specific days as well. So if I don't want it in the Wednesday, I can turn the Wednesday off. Let me disable that. You can delete automation like this, and it will just delete the schedule. You can add schedule again for the time, location, or app, or smart activation as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.